There are many products available to choose car ramps, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car ramps from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rage Powersports Sports Car Service Ramp. Ideal for working on or displaying a low-clearance sports car, these metal ramps are slim, tough, and promise to provide 7 inches of lift to even the lowest sports cars and show cars. Made of solid aluminum, they're stronger than their lightweight leads-on and feature a 3,000-pound capacity. The long length of these ramps facilitates low-clearance vehicles, but may reduce portability. In any case, the sports car service ramps are specifically designed and engineered for low-clearance applications, and owner reviews reveal many happy sports car owners who use the ramps regularly to work on or show off their vehicles. Number 2. Nicky Nice Solid Steel Auto Ramp. These solid steel ramps from Nicky Nice feature a strong 6,500-pound weight rating, durable powder coat finish, and both safety ribs and punch traction holes for added safety and durability. Popular for use on a variety of cars and trucks, they provide the confidence of all-steel construction and plenty of lift. Affordable pricing and good owner reviews help add peace of mind. Owner reviews report satisfaction in use on cars, trucks, minivans, and SUVs, though some owners note that these ramps may be too steep for use with smaller, lower vehicles, and there's no anti-slip treatment, so mount and dismount from the ramps carefully and ideally with a spotter. Number 3. Race Ramps Rally Ramps. These lightweight ramps are strong, highly portable, and very easy to use. Solid construction ensures maximum strength and a long life, and as the name implies, they're designed for use by sports and performance car owners. Low-clearance vehicles are no problem, and the rally ramps feature a unique texture that prevents them from scooting, shifting, or scratching floors beneath. Built-in handles make them easy to move from your garage to your trunk, and a 6,000-pound weight rating means even larger cars will pose no problem. With the built-in handle and no fuss, no slip construction, these ramps go from your trunk to supporting your car, lickety-split. They're compatible with tires up to 8 inches wide, and largely positive owner reviews round out the package. Number 4. Editor's Pick Rhino Gear Rhino Ramps. These ramps earn our Editor's Pick designation for their affordable pricing, mostly excellent owner reviews, and an array of added features and functionalities that create value. Built by a reputable name in car care and maintenance products, Rhino ramps are highly portable, very strong, relatively light, and nest stable into one another, which improves portability and saves space in your workshop or garage. A non-skid surface is applied to both the tread surface of the ramps as well as their underside to prevent slipping, improve safety, and make for easier use. These ramps can support 12,000-pound gross vehicle weight capacities and are compatible with tires up to 9 inches wide. The 17-degree incline makes them nicely compatible with low-clearance or lowered vehicles, too. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.